Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix can't install Garena Free Fire Max app on Playstore. To formally start this tutorial, open and locate your Playstore application in your mobile device. Go ahead and look for it. I'll be here waiting. Once you find your Playstore, long press the application and then tap on App Info. Once in App Info, look for the words that says Storage and Cache. Tap on it this time. Once done, tap on Clear Storage. Then press OK. And then, this will now clear the storage for your Google Play Store. Now close settings. In here, open your Google Play Store this time. Wait for it to load. Once the application loads, all you gotta do this time is go over and click your profile icon. And then in here, click on Settings. And then go to About, scroll down, and then click on Update Playstore. Once the update is finished, go ahead and install your Garena Free Fire Max application. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, don't forget to comment as well, and as always, subscribe to the channel.